We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Now we have concentrate on the new topic with respect to signal and system subject, which is known as signal compression and signal expansion. This is the very interesting topic, and based on that, very lots of research work based on the image processing that can be do according to this particular area. So it is the very wide or broad type of topic, and try to understand here in terms of signal. First of all, I have explained this in terms of system. What is the meaning of that compression and expansion? Now see, this is the particular image that load in my particular computer. See this. Now, if you want to crop, if you want to crop this image, see this. See, this is the compression. See, this is the compression practically in terms of image. Now, if you can expand, see, this is expand. It is basically application that can be related to zoom in and zoom out, compression and expansion. It is like that. So basically, it is the concept that can be used in the area of image processing. If you want to compress any particular video, if you want to compress any particular video, if you want to compress any particular audio signal, or if you want to expand this audio signal or compress this audio signal, video signal, any particular information, at that time image compression or expansion process that can be used. In communication system, two major constraints that can be present, which is known as bandwidth and power. If you can reduce the power, or if you want to reduce the power, at that time, whatever video signal or audio signal that can be present at the transmitter, it is compulsory required to compress this particular audio plus video. And receiver side, if whatever compressed video that can be you have to transmit, receiver side it must be required to receive, and then we can apply the concept of expansion. So it is the entire process that I have speak here. It can be related with the digital TV or analog TV. શું કરવું પડે, ટ્રાન્સમીટર સાઇડ ડેટા કમ્પ્રેસ કરવો પડે, and receiver side we want to expand the data. At that time, compression and expansion process that can be used. Now, this compression and expansion process that I have explained with the help of some basic example which can be related with signal. So try to understand this first of all. Now consider the discrete signal. What is the discrete signal, or what is the meaning of discrete signal? First of all, try to understand it. What is the meaning of discrete signal? It contains some specific value. Now see, this is the specific value, x of n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now see, if you can sketch this diagram, here it is known as n, here it is known as x of n. Now see this, if arrow is not given, then at n equal to 0, it is 1. At n equal to 1, it is 2. At n equal to 2, it is 3. At n equal to 3, it is 4. At n equal to 4, it is 5. Now, image compression operation is used. Image compression operation. Image compression operation means what? If you want to compress this particular picture, at that time, you can apply the concept of compression. Compression that can be denoted by compression operation. Compression operation that can be denoted by x of 2n or general x of an, where a is greater than 1, where a should be greater than 1. Now, see, this is known as compression operation. If you want to compress the data, so it can be used in the area of image processing application. At that time, compression operation can be used. Now, how compression operation can be used, or how compression operation that can be performed, that I have explained here. Try to understand this very carefully. This is the very important. I have sketched the table here first of all. Now see, I have write here n. Here we can write 0. Here we can write 1. Here I write 2. Here I write 3. Here I write 4. So now here we can write x of n. So here we can get x of 0. X of 1. X of 2. Here x of 4, here x of 3. Now x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, x of 4. Now x of 0 equal to 1, x of 1 equal to 2, x of 2 equal to 3, x of 3 equal to 4, and x of 4 equal to 5. So here we can write 1, here we can write 2, here write 3, 4, here write 5. Clear? Now see this. See this entire x of n. Now x of 2n present. That we have to identify x of 2n. X of 2n means what? Multiply here with 2. So here we can get x of 0. Here we can get x of 2. Here we can get x of 4. Here we can get x of 4. Here we can get x of 6. Here we can get x of 6. Here we can get x of 6. X of 6, and here we can get x of 8. Here we can get x of 8. This is. Now, what is x of 2n? See this is basically x of 2n. It is considered as a x of 2n. But what is the value? See this. X of 0 value is 1. So what is the final answer? X of 2n. This is the entire procedure that I have explained here. X of 0 equal to 1. Now x of 2 means what? Answer is 3. So put 3 here. And x of 4 means what? Answer is 5. So put 5 here. So it is the last answer. X of 2n. If x of n is there, then x of 2n is this. So start at which point n equal to 0. See, now sketch the entire diagram of x of 2n. See this is n. At 0, value is 1. 0 constant. But at 1, value is 3. At 1 point, value is 3. And at 2 point, value is 5. Value is 5. See, this is the x of 2n. See, this is the x of 2n. What is the simple procedure? This is the entire procedure. In terms of theoretical understanding. But what is the shortcut method? Shortcut method means what? Whatever compression ratio. See, here 2n is given. So here, if we can divide with 2, divide n with 2. 1 by 2, 0.5. See, for discrete time signal, only consider the integer value. Only consider the integer value. Neglect the neglect the float value. Float means what? In terms of fraction, point માં જે આંકડા હોય, neglect that type of data. 1 by 2 means what? 0.5. So neglect this sample. So this sample is cancelled. See this here, this sample is not present. 2 by 2, answer is 1. So here at one point answer is 3. See this very carefully. Remember that point. For discrete time signal, only consider the integer value of sample. Don't consider the fraction value. But in continuous time signal, all value consider either fraction or either fraction value or integer value. Now see 3 by 2 it is 1.5. So for 1.5 again fraction value. So neglect this sample. 4 by 4, 4 by 2 answer is 2. That's why here we can consider as a 5. So 135 it is the sampled version of x of n. It is the sampled version of x of n. So it is the entire process of compression that I have explained here. Just divide the value of sample, whatever given in the x-axis with respect to compression ratio. Don't do anything. This is the shortcut way to solve the example related to compression. Again, this is for discrete time signal. Consider only the integer value. It is only possible for discrete time signal. For continuous time signal, consider all type of value. Don't neglect the fraction value. Okay, so it is the compression topic related to discrete time signal. Now for continuous time signal, see this is the clear explanation. Now for continuous time signal, see this signal. Here -1, here +1. Here x of n, here x of n, find x of 2n, x of 2t. Sorry, here n is no, here it is not considered as a n. Here it can be considered as a t. So erase this particular. So I have written here t. Find x of 2t. Find x of 2t. And second, x of t divided by 2. X of t by 2. See, this is the basic operation that we have performed here. So try to understand it. X of 2t. X of 2t means what? Compression. What is the first step of compression? Step 1. Divide the time period for continuous time signal. Continuous time signal and consider all of value bracket ma either integer or fraction and step 1 divide the time period for discrete time signal and consider only integer value, integer sample, neglect fraction sample. See, this is the rule for compression. Now see, this is continuous signal. That's why consider own value. Now if you want to compress the signal, say it is known as x of 2t. X of 2t means what? Divide the time. -1 by 2 to plus 1 by 2. Amplitude remains same. Remember that point. Amplitude is not changed because here x of 2t performed. That's why it can be start with minus 0.5. See this. This is the range for minus 1 to 1, but it can be divided from minus 1.5 to plus 1.5. So it is the answer which is known as x of 2t. So it is the compression operation. So it is the compression operation related to continuous time signal. For discrete time signal, I have already explained, so don't require to repeat this topic. Now it is used for compress the image, or you can say in communication system, it can be used in the area of transmission. Now for reception, for receiver side, it could be required to expand the operation. It could be required to expand the operation. So at that time, expansion process can be used. So for expansion process, here we can divide with time. So here we can apply the multiplication. See, reverse process. Now, if we can multiply here, so it can be considered as a division fraction. So now consider, see, this is minus 1, this is plus 1, this is minus 1, this is plus 1. Now if you can require to perform the operation which is known as x of t divided by 2, x of t divided by 2. So x of t divided by 2 means what? So multiply his time. So minus 1 multiply by 2. Remember that point. For compression, here can be divided. For here can be divided, and for expansion here can be multiplied. So here start with minus 2. So it can be considered as a minus 2, starting from minus 2 to plus 2. So it is the expansion process. X of t by 2. X of t by 2. Just expand the process. Don't do anything. And for expansion process, signal either continuous or discrete, any type of signal, process would be same. Why? Because in expansion process, signal can be expanded. So if you can multiply the sample, say here sample x of n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So multiply with 0, 1, 2. I will explain this. So it is the for continuous time signal expansion process. See, this is known as expansion process. I have write here. It is used in the area of communication reception. It's the expansion process, and it is for the uh, whatever mentioned here, it is for compression. So here it can be multiplied with each other. The opposite type of operation, it is known as expansion. Simply say in Gujarati, time axis ઉપર જે value ગોતવાની કીધી હોય x of t or x of t by 2, either any type of value, x of t by 3, x of t by 4, at that time just multiply. Just multiply with time value, don't do any change. So it is known as expansion process. Now for discrete time signal, at n equal to 0, value is 1. At n equal to 1, value is 2. N equal to 2, value is 3. N equal to 3, value is 4. It is the process of x of n. Now here x of n x of n by 2. So simply here multiply with 2. So here 2, here 4, and here 6. So at 2, value is x of 2 means what? Here 3. X of 2, whatever value is present, it is known as 3. Here x of 4 cannot be included. So this sample cannot be considered. And here at 1. So here it is considered as a x of 0, it can be considered as a 1. X of 2 can be considered as a 3. So it is considered as an expansion process. It is considered as a expansion process. Expand the image. X of 2, x of 0 equal to 1, x of 2 equal to 2, 4 equal to 3, and 6 equal to 4. So it is expand like that. It is expand like that. Just multiply with that and uh, expand in the very broad manner. So it is considered as a image expansion from discrete time signal. It is denoted by x of n by 2. It is denoted by x of n by 2. Just shift the signal with respect to given value. See this n by 2, so multiply with 2. See this here, I have mentioned with arrow. Multiply with 2. Multiply with 2 is equal to 4. Here 6, here 8. So x of 0 equal to 1, x of 2 equal to 2, 3, 4. So expand like that. Clear? So it is known as basically expansion process for discrete time signal. It is less important, but continuous time signal, it is very important. So try to prepare that. Now see, this is the signal present in time domain. Here -1, here +1, here 2, and here x of t. Now we would like to find the operation x of 2t plus 1. X of 2t plus 1. Now see, this is not in terms of multiplication. Remember that point. Based on this operation that can be related to image processing operation. Related to image processing operation. Image processing operation means what? First shift the signal and then apply compression. First shift the signal, then apply compression. Suppose any particular movie, see this is my video, this is my photo. Now if you want to move from this point to this point, આ ફોટો અત્યારે અહીંયા છે, અહીંથી અહીંયા આવે, અહીંથી અહીંયા જાય, તો તમે પહેલા જગ્યા શિફ્ટ કરો કે ફોટાને કમ્પ્રેસ કરો? Obviously, first shift the photograph at the exact location like that. Suppose this is the exact location. So first of all, move the photograph from here to here. Then it would like to compress like that. See, this is the operation of compression. See, if you can crop this, see, this is the operation. This is the expansion. See, this is the expansion. Now, if you would like to compress this or expand this, see, but this is the last process. Remember that point. What I am trying to say, if you want to shift the image, so first of all shift image, then do the compression, then apply the compression. So similar type of concept can be developed here. Similar type of concept can be developed here. Say frankly in Gujarati, તમારે એક ફોટો એક જગ્યાએથી બીજી જગ્યાએ લેવો છે તો પેલા તમે ફોટો લઈ લ્યો એક જગ્યાએથી બીજી જગ્યાએ, પછી એને કમ્પ્રેસ કરો. So first shift the signal either left or right. Left side advance operation, right side delay operation, but then applied for compression. Don't do first compression and then expand. See, this is not mathematical expression. Again repeat, this is not mathematical expression. Please try to understand. I have mentioned with figure, mentioned with notation. It is not mathematical operation. It is not mathematical operation. It is related to image processing operation. First shift the signal, then applied compression. Then applied compression. So first of all, we would like to find the operation of x of 2t plus 1. So first applied the signal of expansion. Why? Because plus sign is present. What is the plus sign of present indicate? It is known as advance operation. It is known as advance operation means what? Shift right. Shift right. So start with minus 2. So start with minus 2 to 0 and 0 to 1. So this is the operation which is known as x of t plus 1. X of t plus 1. Start here with minus 2. Here at 0. Here it is 0. Here it is 1. So it is known as x of t plus 1. Now we want to compress this image. Now this is the particular image that can be shifted. See, I would like to compress this particular video. So first of all, I have shifted this from here to here. So this operation is relevant to this. અહીંથી અહીંયા ફોટો ગયો ઈ આના જેવું ઓપરેશન થયું. હવે આને કમ્પ્રેસ કરવાનું છે. કમ્પ્રેસ મીન્સ વોટ? ડિવાઇડ વિથ 2. Don't do anything. Divide with 2. So it can be start with minus 1. It can be start with minus 1. Completed at 0. And here 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means what? It can be considered as a 0.5. It can be considered as a 0.5. So here it is known as x of 2t plus 1. X of 2t plus 1. So here we can get final answer. So I have sketched with that particular point. See this. See, this is the answer, which is known as x of 2t plus 1. X of 2t plus 1. See, this is the final answer. See, this is the flip operation. See, this is the flip operation, mirror operation. I have already explained this, but see, this is the live demo, so you will be able to understand. So this is the answer related to shifting, scaling, plus compression. All type of operation that can be included here. So it is known as basically combination of shifting plus compression. Now, last operation. I have solved the example related to that in next my lecture. X of minus 2t plus 1. What is the meaning of that? Minus 2t plus 1. Minus means what? First of all, take the sign common. Mirror, it indicates mirror. So first of all, try to find x of minus common in the bracket of 2t minus 1. 2t minus 1. Then apply the x of t minus 1. So first apply the mirror operation. Mirror means 180 degree phase shift. Second apply the delay operation. And third apply for the compression. This is the real time operation that can be performed on any particular x of t. First applied mirror, then applied delay, then applied compression. So it is the correct sequence. It is the correct sequence to solve the example related to this particular method. Now I would like to write here x of minus 2t minus 1. Here we can write first what is the operation here that I would like to write here. First mirror, second advance. See this. If you can take minus sign common, then it is considered as advance and then applied for the comparison. This is the correct sequence, and this is the difference between x of minus 2t plus 1 and x of minus 2t minus 1. So it is the correct example that I have solved in this particular lecture. So it is the compression expansion process that can be completed here. How it can be discussed, how it can be possible that I have discussed here. Thank you very much. Try to understand more example based on that. Myself is Jamin Sangani. If you have any query, then contact my mail ID jaminsangani@gmail.com and my mobile number 9429563401. Contact me anytime. No problem. Thank you very much.